Zama Hair Studio.
Hi hair besties, welcome back to Zama Hair Studio, where you can turn every strand into a slay. Today I've got something super cute, something easy for you guys. We are doing some cornrows, those wig lines. If you want to put your installation, we are doing the tutorial guys, so just stay tuned and enjoy. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the family in this house. So yeah guys, just stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed like my video, so make sure you sit tight, grab your comb, and let's do this tutorial. I hope guys you enjoy. So yeah, my hair besties, we are only doing like 6 lines, only 6 lines already. I've already sectioned my hair in between in the center, so this other side is 3 lines, another side is 3 lines, so it's much easier and better. Make sure you have your comb, your styling gel, and your hands. All right, my hair besties, let's do this. Make sure your lines are not too tight. Yes guys, make sure your lines are not too tight to avoid having headaches. Ane? Yes, make sure they're not too tight to avoid headaches. Just take it easy, take it slowly. Let's get this hair slayed, because we're about to wear our wigs on, we're about to install our installations on, we're about to rock and slay with these cornrows, baby. Alright guys, just stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Please don't go anywhere. Let's do and finish this tutorial. Watch till the end. Alright. Just let me know in the comment section, how did it go when we were trying these lines, when we were doing these lines. Was it easy? Just let me know guys, how did it go when you were doing these 6 lines? Let me know in the comment section. Was it challenging? Was it easy? Please let me know in the comment section guys. I can't wait to hear from you. Let me know. Let's talk guys. Just take a look. Can you see how my lines are looking? They're very neat guys, very neat, and it's a protective hairstyle, so there's no need to worry about your hair. I'm protecting especially my hairline guys. And remember, I mixed my water spray for hair growth, so it will be much easier for me to spray my hair, because I'll be having these cornrows for about, let's say, 2 weeks. So on these 2 weeks I'll be busy spraying my water spray for hair growth guys, because my hairline guys, you see this hairline of mine. Anyway, I'm going to deal with it for this 2 weeks, and then definitely I'll come back with the results guys, because it will be much easier for me to spray my water on my cornrows. It will be much easier for me to apply my hair food on these lines. So you see, that's why I'm saying it's a protective hairstyle, so that will take care of your hair, rather than putting or spraying your water under a weave or something that you are having. So it's much easier when you're having these lines like under your wig. You see guys, we are half down. We are done with this side. Now we are jumping to the other side. All right, so as you can see guys, I was busy doing my last line. Can you see how beautiful and how neat? just imagine my hair will breathe, guys. So I was applying my hair food, just moisturize your hair. Make sure you moisturize your hair, like always keep your hair moisturized, because if it's dry it will break. And then that's the water spray that I was talking about, guys. So if you want to have this water spray, these are the ingredients, guys, on top. Make sure you gather all of them and then mix them and then soak this mixture overnight, and then voila, you're ready to spray your hair each and every day, especially your hairline, because guys, we know some of us, we suffer with this hairline is a big problem. So make sure you spray your hairline. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you are watching this video this far, please pause and subscribe to this channel, guys. I would really appreciate, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.